Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to share a board on a Trello. So first thing what you will do is go to one of your workspace and go to your boards and go to your one of your boards that you want to share. Now from here you should be able to see here the share button, guys, on the top right corner. So select that, and from here you can just simply go ahead and provide the email of the person that you want to share the board with. And now after that, you should be able to have him as a member or observer. And after that, just simply go ahead and select share over here. And you should be able to provide a message for him or her. So I'm going to go for join now. And after that, just simply select share. And from there, an email will be sent to them. And from there, you should be able to, and they should just simply accept it, and you should be able to share your board. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.